Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject of general science. Our today's topic is ocean thermal energy. First of all, we must know what is an ocean. A very large surface of a very large area of sea is called ocean. The water at the surface of an ocean, it gets heated as heat by the heat of the sun and attains a higher temperature than the colder water at the deeper levels in the ocean. ठीक में तो you see by the heat of the sun you see water at the surface of an ocean yeah such as a heat up and by heating what happens it attains a higher temperature yeah such attain kara higher temperature than the colder water at deeper levels in the ocean ठीक then so there is always a temperature difference temperature difference has create gasa between the water at the surface of ocean and at deeper levels it has temperature gradient has produce gasa temperature gradient has produce gasa temperature gradient temperature difference has create gasa between the water at the surface of ocean and at deeper levels. The energy available due to the difference in the temperature of water at the surface of the ocean and at deeper levels energy is ocean thermal energy Roz bash hour. The ocean thermal energy it can be converted into a usable form of energy like electricity. This can be done as follows. The ocean thermal energy convert into a usable form of energy like electricity. Convert as follows. The devices used to harness ocean thermal energy, they are called ocean thermal energy conversion power plants. A temperature difference of 20 degree between the surface water of ocean and deeper water, it is needed for operating or for working OTEC power plants. In one type of OTCP power plants, the warm water surface of ocean it is used to boil a liquid ammonia or chlorofluorocarbons. With the type of ocean thermal energy power plant maz kya gasa kam warm water surface of ocean has istemal kara to boil a liquid ammonia or chlorofluorocarbons. ठीक by this what happens you see liquid ammonia or chlorophyll gas change into vapors magar these vapors the produce they have high pressure. The high pressure vapors of the liquid are then used high pressure vapors of the liquid ammonia or liquid chlorophyll they are used to turn the turbines of a generator. When they turn what happens electricity is produced electricity is produced. With the colder water from the deeper ocean, it is pumped to cool the used vapors and convert them again and again into liquid. With the cold water from the deeper ocean, as pump to cool the vapors used of vapors cool into the liquid and into liquid again and then used again and again for generating electricity. This is ocean thermal energy.